All right, boys and girls, here we are. We have day 19 of our May Daily Math. Here we go. We got 2 days left. Let's do this, all right? Number 1. We're going to start with the number 50, and we're going to multiply by 7. Okay, we're not going to do 50 times 7. Instead of that, we're going to change this to, how about 5? Tens times 7. 5 times 7 is a much easier problem for me than 50 times 7. Okay, so we're going to do 5 times 7. So 5 times 7 equals 35, right? So the word tens has to be flipped back to the 0 now. So there we go, 350. Okay, so 5 tens times 7 is 35. So 50 times 7 is 350. Now we're going to subtract 150 from that. Okay, that gives us 200. And then we are going to divide 200. We're going to divide that by 10. Okay, so how many times does 1 go into 2? 2 times, right? And there's a 0. Covered up. Okay, how many times does 1 go into 20? It goes into 20 times. So therefore, 20 times 10 should equal 200. Boom. All right. We're going to jump up here to number 3 now. I think I got room right here in the corner, right? How many pieces between 0 and 1? And then it says label each part of the fraction. So there's 1. There's 0. Okay. So go like that. So how many pieces do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Okay? So you have 6 pieces between 0 and 1. Label each mark with a fraction. So this could also be 6 over 6. Okay? So here's 1 piece out of 6, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, 4 out of 6, and 5 out of 6. Okay, there we go. And let's look at number 4. Rounding riddle. Yeah. A number has digits 7, 5, and 4. To the nearest 10, the number rounds to 550. Okay, so to the nearest 10, it goes to 550. Now, I'm going to put the 5 in the 100 spot right away because we know it's 500. All right, now, we know that it's either going to be 574 or 547. So let's just round both, okay? Here we go. Let's see. We're going to look at the tens column. And then we have to peek next door, and we see a 4. 4 or less, let it rest. So this is going to be 570. Again, identify the column, the tens column. Look next door. That's 5 or more. We got to raise this score, so we're going up to 550. So the 3-digit number is 547. Nice work. We've had a couple of those now. Gets easier, doesn't it? Little by little. Keep doing them. It's only going to get easier, okay? Here we go. Michael mows lawns for a summer job. He charges $10 a lawn. Man, back in the day when I mowed lawn, I got $4. And that's if I did all the trimming. Otherwise, I only got $3. And I mowed my lawn. I mowed my neighbor one house up. And once in a while, I mowed our mayor's lawn. And those are our 3 lawns at the top of the hill. 1, 2, and 3. But I should have done my own lawn for nothing. But my grandma still paid me. Love her. Here we go. If Michael mows 8 lawns for each week for 10 weeks, how much money will he earn this summer? Okay, so $10 a lawn. And he mows 8 lawns for each week. For 10 weeks. So how many lawns total is that? So 8 lawns each week for 10 weeks. So 8 lawns a week times 10 weeks equals 80 lawns. There you go. We're done. Good job, boys and girls. So until did I get you? Huh? No, I didn't. You're too smart for me. All right, we got to figure out how much money, though, right? Isn't that the question? How much money will he earn this summer? It didn't ask me how many lawns how many lawns he's going to mow. It's asking me how much money, right? So it's $10 a lawn. We still have to take the 80 times the 10. Okay, so that's the 80. We add the 0 in. He's going to make $800 just by mowing lawn this summer. What a great job for that kiddo. All right, boys and girls, we will see you tomorrow.